Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the JBL Clip 5 speaker. And first, take a look on the box. We can find here some key information, like for example the Bluetooth in the 5.3 version, the 12-hour playtime on the single charge. On the right side we can even find information about the Auracast, which actually allows us to connect two speakers in the pair, so we can get the stereo mode. On this side, we can also find information about the IP67, waterproof and the dustproof, and also this speaker is compatible with the JBL portable application. So now to open it, we have to just grab this, take it off. Now we can go inside. Okay, it should actually look like this. There's our speaker. Inside we can find this small cable with the USB-C to the USB-A, and here some kind of the paperwork, product registration, some stuff in the Chinese, and a quick start guide. Nothing interesting, honestly. We can put it back. And now that's how the speaker looks. On the right side we can find the name of the speaker, Clip 5. Of course, let's check if it works. Yeah, it does work actually. And this part is actually silicone, yeah, or maybe some kind of the rubber, the hard rubber, yeah. But this part is with the metal. Right here we can find the indicator. On the reverse we can find the silicone stand. There's also the buttons on the front. At the bottom we can find the USB-C port, and on the left side the power button, Bluetooth button, and the Auracast buttons. So as you can see, that's all for this video, the quick unboxing of the JBL Clip 5. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.